Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar fell 0.5% against the yen in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices edged up about 1% on a weaker US dollar on the day when voters cast ballots in what is expected to be an exceptionally close US presidential election, after rising more than 2% in the previous session, as OPEC Plus delayed plans to hike production in December. The US dollar fell as US voters headed to the polls on Tuesday, with the results of the elections likely to decide at least the near-term fate of the greenback. A list of companies, including Robinhood, Galaxy Digital, Kraken, and Paxos, have formed a consortium supporting the latest stablecoin pegged to the United States dollar. Paxos shared that the new open network was designed to accelerate the adoption and use of stablecoins worldwide.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 12 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 15:30 GMT, Germany's factory orders at 7 GMT. The Eurozone's producer price index will be released at 10 GMT, Japan's labour cash earnings at 23:30 GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.